Hey everyone, welcome. We're going to be doing lesson 2.1 in Additions Algebra 1 today. Please make sure you have a pencil and paper ready and we're going to get started. All right, I'd like you to take a minute and read over this problem, and I want you to write down on your scratch piece of paper what you notice about this diagram. Turn off your recording, use your phone and take about a minute and a half, and when you're done making your list, come back to the video. Okay, welcome back. I hope you have your list ready. We're going to discuss this tomorrow. All right, so I know you've read the problem. We want to answer question A. What factors do you think Alani should take into consideration before deciding if she's going to go with option A or option B? So write those down, turn off or pause your recording, and take a minute to write everything you can think of should consider. And what would you consider if you were if you had this option? What would you need to consider? All right, I'm glad you've paused the video and you're back. Let's go on to the next question. So what if Alani could modify option A and still pay off her bike in 5 weeks? Tell me about the relationship between the down payment and the weekly payments. Amount of money she would pay, how would it differ, and maybe even come up with some scenarios about if she put $100 down, if you put $120 down, and see how much she would pay each week. So pause the video again and answer those questions. Welcome back. All right, so hopefully you have those written down. And now we're going to look at a problem. This should look familiar from actually 8th grade. I want you to read over this problem, look at the graph, and then in Edpuzzle, I'm going to add some questions for you to answer. All right. Hey, I hope you guys have a great night, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.